on me, so I ain't going nowhere. Otherwise, I could probably get work release and get this taken care of. But they even took the parole holder off me yet. My parole's all taken care of, but Brian Steve's neglected it. That's what I'm saying. It's just like Montcalm County railroaded me all the way around because Brian Steves took and knew that I was on parole. He took and violated my parole before I'd even been found, even had anything to do with this case on the other. He's the one that neglected to let me back onto the property. And then the township is the ones that told me I had to get rid of the trailers. Well, if they hadn't have told me I had to get rid of the trailers, come find out that I didn't have to, then I wouldn't be in here right now because the property was clean prior to this. They took and told me that I had to get rid of the trailers because they were all outdated. So the township's actually at fault at this thing too.
Well, Mr. Davy, I'm unable to make that finding here.
So you're more or less saying this, that, and the other, and it's just it's downgrading me. Is all you're doing.
No, that's not.
It's actually the way I feel. And it'd be the way you'd feel if you were in my situation. You sentenced me to a year in Montcalm County Jail.
But again, Mr. Davy, I am mindful of the fact that we did have a separate divorce proceeding wherein this property and the concerns regarding the property were discussed in that proceeding, and you also indicated that you had other family members that could assist you as it related to this matter. So by the fact that you're incarcerated, I find is certainly not controlling in this matter because property owners do have a responsibility to comply with the law.
Then in that case,
well, sir, at this point in time, I'm not going to argue with you. I have made my finding, and then that will conclude the hearing.
so you're saying that you ain't gonna make Home Township clean up the rest of the places there in Home Township, like down around the corner from my place where that old abandoned trailer sits, where they let them burn it down?
Mr. Davy, that issue is not before this court, and that will conclude the matter. Thank you. Thank you. That concludes the proceedings here today. I will return the exhibit